Ideal replacement. This window crank handle matches the fit and function of the original equipment component. Material, plastic metal. Durable construction. This window crank handle is made of durable material to withstand extended use. Easy to install. This window crank requires no special tools to install. Versatile design. This window crank handle is suitable for use in various locations in the vehicle. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Worn or broken window crank handle leading to difficult window operation? Made of durable material for reliable performance, this window crank handle replaces the original equipment handle. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Got my window in my K15 back up to snuff. Oiled up the linkages inside, and it is 100x better. Pull the clip on the old one, slid this one on, probably a 5-minute job.